Most people never think about the tires of an aircraft, but each one plays a critical role in takeoff, landing, and safety. A single aircraft tire for a commercial jet like a Boeing 777 can cost between $5,000 and $10,000. These tires are built to handle up to 38 tons and reach speeds over 280 kilometers per hour. They can last for around 200 landings before needing a retread and can be reused up to 7 times. Tire inspections are part of every flight check, and even a minor cut can lead to immediate replacement. Follow for more amazing facts about the machine's parts and people that keep aviation running every day.